everyone, you're welcome back again to the channel where we create. I'm in the person of Mr. Humble, and we are looking at a series on how we can use Adobe Photoshop. So if you haven't watched the previous video, please go and watch. Today we are going to learn how we can export our work. All right, so let me disable this and disable that. All right, so let's say this is the final work that you have done that you want to export. What you have to do is you come to file. All right, then you come to export. All right, come to export, then you come to export as. I get me. So you click on it. So this will appear. So this is where you are going to do your exportation. All right, so the formats. So do you want it to be a picture form? That is the format, the form, that is the JPG. Okay, it means JPEG. All right, JPEG. Or if you want to do it PNG, the PNG form. So the PNG form, so it is used, okay, to do pictures, all right, that has a transparent background. All right, so that is how we use the PNG. All right, then the GIF, right? The GIF, as you already see when you look at your WhatsApp. So when you see the GIF, it displays some movement. All right, it's a picture that has some movement. All right, that is the GIF. And the SVG, that one we use it for animation sake. All right, so for our picture, we are going to store it in a picture form, a JPEG. All right, so you click on it, then you set the size. How do you want the size to be? All right, so this is 2100 pixels by 1500 pixels. All right, then the scale, so you set all these depending on what your client wants. All right, so that is it. Then the width and the canvas, the width and the height. All right, so these, the most important settings that you have to do is the format. All right, the quality. That is all, because this one you've already set it when you create new file. Okay, so it will be the same. All right, so that is it. Then after that, you click on export. So it will ask you where do you want to save your file. So you choose the place where you want to save it. So let's say I want to save it on a desktop. Then you choose the name for your file, your picture. All right, so let's say I want to use it can. Let me use Ghana instead. Ghana, sorry. Then you click on save. So the image will be saved. So it has saved my image. You see, it's very easy to save your image. There is another way of doing it. The other way is come to file, come to save as, then you click on your computer. If you want to store it on your computer, you come here. You want to store it on your cloud, you come here, but I want to store it on my computer, so I'm going to click here. Then this will open. Then you type the name of your file, let's say GH. Then here you choose the format. Okay, here is where you choose the format. This is the normal Photoshop format. All right, then this is the JPEG. All right, the picture form. Then the PNG is here. Then the TIFF. All right, the TIFF is a form of the Photoshop file, but this time when you go to the place where you have saved, you will see the picture. At the same time, you can open it and you will see the layers. All right, the layers that you did. All right, but with the JPEG, it will store it just in an image form. Right, so that is what I want to. Click on JPEG, then you click on save. Then it will start saving your work. So here we choose the quality of your image. So I want high quality, so I'll put it here. Then okay, then we'll start saving. You see, it is saving. You see, So 80%. All right. Now it has finished saving. All right. So that is it for beginners tutorial. Okay, so in our next set of videos, we are going to look at the advanced tutorials on becoming what, a graphic designer. So please, I want you to go in there, go and watch those videos, like it, subscribe it. If you have not subscribed it, you haven't done well, go subscribe to the video. In our advanced tutorial, we are going to look at how we can make a poster, a church poster. So let's say they are going to do a program. You can know how you can, by the end of those set of videos, you will know how to do a church poster, and also you will be able to do a birthday flyer. So if you don't know that one too, check on those videos. All right, you can do a birthday flyer, and also you can do a business flyer. All right, so we are going to look at all of these: the business flyer, a music teaser, a movie teaser, a logo, how to make a logo for a business, and how to use Photoshop timeline. All right, so these are for advanced videos. So stay in tune and watch those videos. You'll be blessed. All right, start making money. Okay, so bye.